Hello and welcome back to Scatterbrook Farm Garden Designs. Right, this is going to be a quick video. I've had in the comments, sweet peas. Now she's said that she's been copying some of my designs and you know putting some of the designs onto her sanctuary, but she's fed up of the animals keep running through everything. Now she said, she'll do her design, and when she whistles her animals, they run straight through all of her design. They don't stick to the paths. Well, I had this problem when I first started until I sussed out how to get them to actually walk on the paths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to my Scatterbrook Farm 2, and I'm going to show you how you can control the animals to stay on the paths. So without further ado, we will go now down to the sanctuary, and I will just explain to you now how you get the animals to stick to the paths. Now, as you can see, the giraffe, okay, he won't walk through the pond or through the flowers. He will not walk, I mean, there he goes. He's going round the path, around the pond, and he sticks to the path. He won't go into any of this area. Now, let me whistle them over there a minute, okay? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this away, this away, this away, and this away, okay? Like I would with my gorilla design. And I get their house, and I put it into there. Now, if I whistle, they should stick to the path, up the log path, to where they go to feed. So let's give it a go. Okay, there they go. And they've stuck to the path, around the path, and in they go. Okay? Now, there's a reason for this. If you leave no access to the feeder, to their house, okay, and you've got stuff all around, so they've got no way of getting to their feeder, they will run straight through rocks. They will run havoc all over your sanctuary. They will run through everything, and it's so annoying because you think, oh, it just spoils the whole effect. So what we'll do, again, we'll whistle them. See, they stick to the path. Now, what I'm going to do is, actually, I got some. I'm going to put this here. Hang on, that's wrong. That there, that there. Right. So now what I'm doing is, instead of putting slabs up to their house, I am now blocked the slabs. So there's no way that they can get to that house via slabs. Now watch what happens if I whistle them. Straight through the trees. Now this is purely because there's no, there's no entrance into where they can feed. Okay, so as you can see, they just walk through everything. That giraffe's gone out the back there. Same with the hippo house. Okay, so we'll put that one over there. Where's the hippo house? I've got to try and find it. Where's the hippo house? Do you know what? I don't know where it is. What's the elephant house? Oh, I must have a hippo house somewhere. That's strange. Oh well, we'll try the elephants. So we'll put the elephants there. Now if I whistle the elephants, they will run straight through the trees. Watch. Whistle. Straight through. Okay? I'll show you again. I'll put it over there. I'll whistle. Straight through the trees, you see? Right. Okay? Now he will run back straight through the trees because it's blocked. Look, there's no way in. Watch. Straight through the trees. Okay? So So we're calling back over there. We'll whistle, get him out the way. Now what we'll do is we'll take these and we will now replace with either slabs or log path. We'll then put that into there. So now they've got a way up to where they feed. So now when we whistle, see that elephant to the left? Watch. Around the slab, up the wooden path to his house. And it doesn't matter where you've got your design and where you've got your their house. As long as there's an entrance go into their feeder, they will follow the path. There you go. Put that over there. Whistle them again. Around the path they go, because there's nothing in the way of that feeder. Okay. We'll do it again. Okay. So now instead of path, we've put 2 flowers. So as you can see now, there's no way to get to their house. Now when I whistle, they'll run straight through. Watch. Straight through. Okay. So that is what the problem is, sweet peas. That's the problem that you've got. You've obviously got no entrance for them to feed to. You know, you need them to be able to get to their feeder. You know, and they'll do it all over your sanctuary. They'll run through everything, and it is annoying. I would, you know, and it took me ages to work out why they were doing it. And now, all my animals have got access to all their feeders, and they will stick to the path. But if you left that and didn't whistle them, they'd go to sleep in the middle of the pond, or they just can't. They just can't get to their feeder. Look. So again, put that there, whistle, and they should go around the path. Up the path, here he comes, around the path, and they will stick to the path all the time because they've got a way in and a way out. So, sorry about that. So with my farm there, you see, they'll stick to the path. If you watch all the animals, they won't walk through the jumps. The only way that those animals will walk through those jumps and through the water is if they're blocked off from feeding. And as you can see, each one that I've got has got a gap in between. Gap in between each one so they can feed. So they will behave and they will all stay to the footpaths. Same with the cats, the dogs, the rabbits. They will all stay there because they can all get to their feeders. Plenty of room. And that's how you stop your animals. I mean, you've only got to have one blocked off. You've only got to have one of those stables close to one another. And they'll just walk straight through the wall and all across and down onto the main road of your farm. And you think, well, why have they come out? I've got a wall up. But it's because they can't get to their feeder. And they will all do it. They'll all make their way out of your farm because there's no way in and no way out to their feeding place. So I hope that's covered it for you, sweet peas, and anybody that's got the same problem. Well, you will all have the same problem if you've got them blocked off. So let me know in the comments what you think. Give it a try and you will see a 1,000,000% difference in the behaviour of your animals. So good luck until the next video. Stay safe and cheerio.